guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing some work from home job opportunities. We'll be seeing three different platforms. The platforms are Apna.com. It is actually one of the biggest websites in which you can find a lot of freelancing jobs. Then we'll be seeing Beyond School. It is an online teaching platform. There is a lot of opportunity and there is a lot of work from home and part-time job opportunities there. The third one we'll be seeing is Planet Spark. In that, we'll be again seeing some work from home jobs. So you don't need to have a graduation here, 10th pass, or even if you are a 12th pass. All these category of people can find a lot of part-time jobs and work from home jobs through this platform. So please do watch this video till the end if you are interested. You can do these jobs as part-time. A lot of people as students are interested in doing part-time jobs. So you can find the jobs here. So let's explore the platforms one by one. The first one we are going to see is Apna.com. It is a very famous platform. A lot of people, a lot of other YouTubers has actually talked about this and they are sharing many job opportunities from this platform. So this is the first time I'm actually exploring it and you can really find a lot of work from home jobs. The jobs which is require only 12th pass or 10th pass as a qualification. So you can actually find a lot of BPO related, telecaller related or customer support jobs here. Okay, let's explore the jobs one by one. First one is telecaller. You can see this is all the jobs are work from home. Okay, 12th pass is a qualification. So in order to apply, just click on this apply icon. You can see the salary also. Okay, it is from 18,000 to 32,000. Good salary also. Okay, and you can do this as part-time job if you are interested. Okay, again see telecaller 12th pass, 40 openings is there, 15,000 to 30,000. Then again a lot of other opportunities are there. Seller onboarding executive means you'll be actually working as a on the recruitment team. Okay, but it is asking for experience. Some jobs is asking for experience, but majority of them are for freshers. Okay, so you can actually find the job in whichever location you are interested in. You can select the city. All the cities of India, there is opportunities. Okay, then you can select the location. Okay, you can see the salary also along with every job opportunity. So please to explore this platform. People are actually talking about this platform and you can see in all these cities you can find jobs. Okay, many people have reviewed this site and many people have talked about them in their videos. This is the first time I'm making video. Okay, so I have brought these opportunities especially for my subscribers. So if you're interested in part-time jobs, if you're a housewife, you can do these jobs and you can explore this platform. Okay, so please make use of this apna.com. I'll be putting the link in description. Okay, next one we are going to see is an online tutor job. This is again a remote job. Very clearly they have mentioned here. This is a part-time job, means you can do this as part-time. You don't need to have a graduation or anything here. Diploma or any graduation background can apply here. See, BA, MA, BCom, MCom, BE, MEd, DED, then BCA, MCA, BTech, MTech, BSc, MSc, BA, ME, diploma in early childhood education or related field is an advantage. Otherwise, also you can apply here. See, they are asking for you to teach the students from age 4 to 12 years. 4 year means they are very small kids. They only need some basic things to be taught. So if you are interested in teaching the students from 4 to 12 years, you can apply here. You need to only spend 2 to 3 hours daily. Okay, that is the only thing. Job type is remote and it is part-time. So a lot of people ask me about part-time jobs. So they'll be doing something. Sometimes they'll be housewives. They'll be doing something else and they can spare 2-3 hours. Okay, and they are looking for a job. So here, this is the best opportunity. This is the excellent opportunity for those candidates who are interested in doing part-time jobs, especially if you're a student, if you're studying. Along with that, if you're interested in earning some part-time earnings or some income, this is the best opportunity. So this is an online tutor job. You can sit at your home and you can do this job and you can earn money. Okay, since this is an online tutor job, there is more guarantee about this job opportunity. Okay, so the role they have actually talked about, you need to stream, means you have to take online classes. You should be comfortable in teaching students with the age of 4 to 12 years. You should be ready to work night shifts, only 2 to 3 hours maximum. Okay, laptop and stable Wi-Fi connection is a must because you are going to take classes, so you cannot compromise on Wi-Fi. So if you are having a laptop and good Wi-Fi connection at your home, you can take classes and you can teach the students and you can earn money. See the salary which they are offering. 1,80,000 to 3 lakhs per annum. It is a very good opportunity. It is a very good package, especially for a part-time job. Okay, so please don't miss out. Apply for it. So I have made a video on Check. It is actually an online again platform in which you can clear doubts and all. So I have made a video on that, and many people have applied, and many people have shared their comments that they are now earning a good amount of income from that platform. And many people have mailed me also about this. They are working as subject matter expert. So if you are interested in working with Check, I would again like to suggest you that platform also. I'll be sharing that link, video link in description. Please do check out. Okay, it is an excellent opportunity for people. It is not like a teaching platform. You just have to clear doubts. Okay, yeah. Now let's have a look on the third platform, which is Planet Spark. It is again an e-learning platform itself. There is opportunity for non-teaching jobs also. Some people will not be interested in doing teaching jobs. Okay, here again, customer support executive means BPO related jobs is there. Not asking for any specific qualification. You can do this as part-time job or full-time job. But if it is full-time, then that will be more preferable. Okay, if you are interested in doing as full-time, then more chances of getting selected. Okay, 0 to 5 years is experience required. Requirement is only that you need to be having good communication skills, problem-solving skills, learning skills. That is the only requirement. Okay. So that is the job role of a customer support executive. 0 to 5 years of experience. Just fill up this application form and click on submit. Again, there is opportunity for interview expert and also for teachers. See, this is teacher trainer English. Okay, let's have a look on that. So this is a teacher trainer post. So you will be asked to train the teachers. Okay, teacher on the job training. You will be actually interacting with the teachers and you will be actually training them. Okay, so that is the requirement here. 0 to 5 years of experience. Total 10 vacancies is there. Now the job role is design and enhance teacher training spanning pedagogy, online classroom management. So all the classes are online in this platform. So you have to manage the online classes, create plans for continuous and ongoing training of existing teachers, deliver teacher trainings, and develop and lead a team of teacher trainers. So there will be a group of teachers and you have to be working as a team lead like a teacher trainer. Okay, so that is the job role here. Again, it is a work from home. You can see mostly all the jobs on this platform are work from home. So you can explore this. Yeah, again, you can see the application form just below this. And if you are interested, you can apply for it. Okay. Next opportunity we are going to see is telesales executive. Just click on it and you can see the details. So this is asking for experience with 2 to 20 years of experience. So here you have to make calls and you have to sell the business on Planet Spark. That is the job. Okay. Hardcore sales role. Hence, a candidate must be a go-getter. Means you should be making calls and you should be talking to the customers about the Planet Spark platform, and you have to bring business to this platform. That is the job role. Okay. 200 calls per day is a must. You have to make many calls and you have to talk with the customers or common people and you have to talk about the benefits of the Planet Spark platform and you have to attract them towards the platform. That is the job of a telesales executive. Okay. So if you are having this experience, again, this is a work from home job. Just apply for this by filling up the application form. Okay. Yeah. So that's all for today's video. We have seen 3 platforms. The first one is Upda.com. The second one is Beyond School. In that you can see for or you can look for online tutor job post. And the third one is Planet Spark. In that you can find actually a variety of different varieties of opportunities. There is opportunities for customer executive, online tutors, and other job roles. Okay. So if you are interested in any of these, please do check out the links which I'll be putting in description. And also if you found the content useful, please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. Keep supporting. Share the videos with your friends also and tell them to subscribe. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.